In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete your Uber Eats background check through an easy tutorial. This process is crucial if you're planning to become a delivery partner with Uber Eats and want to ensure everything is in order to start delivering as soon as possible. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Uber app on your smartphone. It's important to note that you must have the latest version of the app installed to avoid any technical issues during this process. Once you're in the app, locate and click on the section labeled Background Check. This will allow you to start the necessary steps to complete the verification process that Uber requires. Next, you'll see an option to apply now. Click on Apply Now to proceed. It might seem like a tiny step, but remember, it's the gateway to opening up opportunities for earning through Uber Eats deliveries. Once you've clicked Apply Now, the app will prompt you to allow access to certain information. Don't worry, Uber Eats only requests the essential details needed for your background check. Click Allow to grant this access. This step ensures that they can verify your identity and complete the background check accurately. Following that, you'll find a list of steps you need to finish up the process. Take a moment to read through these carefully. It will help you understand what you need to prepare in terms of documentation and information. After reviewing the steps, you'll need to fill out the required information. This typically includes personal details such as your name, address, and any other information necessary for a comprehensive background check. Remember to double-check your information for accuracy before proceeding. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, there are 3 options you'll need to check off which indicate that you agree to the terms and conditions or agreements required by Uber. Once you've done that, click on Save and continue to progress through the process. Next, follow along with the app as it will guide you step by step. You'll then need to navigate to the web page for ordering food online, which serves as a checkpoint in ensuring your background check is complete. Click on the highlight and then navigate over to the Help section for assistance or more information. After this, you'll want to click on Driving and Delivering to get more details tailored specifically for delivery partners. This section is especially helpful if you're new to Uber Eats and still familiarizing yourself with the app. Then, look for the Account and App section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Updating Your Vehicle. Click on this if you need to add new vehicles or update existing information about your delivery vehicle. Continue through the steps provided to click options like Next and Done, ensuring you follow along as needed. Following these steps carefully will ensure that your Uber Eats background check is complete and ready for you to start delivering. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new venture with Uber Eats.